Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Robinhood Crypto for beginners, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Robinhood Crypto as a beginner, start by downloading the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in or create a new account if you don't have one. If you are new, follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name, email, and phone number. Afterwards, verify your identity by providing your social security number and date of birth. Next, you'll need to link a bank account for funding your trades. Select Account from the bottom menu, then choose Banking. Tap Add Bank Account and follow the prompts to enter your bank details. Once your bank account is linked, deposit funds into your Robinhood account. Returning to the main screen, tap on the crypto icon to explore available cryptocurrencies. Browse through the list of cryptocurrencies and select one to learn more. Once you've chosen a cryptocurrency, tap Buy to enter the purchase screen. Decide how much you want to invest by entering the amount in USD. Review the ordered details and confirm your purchase. To check your portfolio, navigate back to the main screen. Tap Account and then Investing to see your crypto holdings. Make sure to monitor your investments regularly. You can also set up price alerts for specific cryptocurrencies in the Settings menu. Explore the educational resources in the app to learn more about cryptocurrency trading. Consider starting with small amounts to get comfortable with the process. Finally, remember to practice good security measures, like enabling two-factor authentication. You're now set to start trading cryptocurrencies on Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.